Hi, I'm Ashley, co-founder of Therabyte. Welcome back to our Getting Started series. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to set up your website, including online intake and consent forms and online booking. So let's take a look. You're first going to come here and you're going to see in the corner, it's going to say My Office, and you're scrolling down from Practice Settings to Website. Once we get here, everything's going to be disabled. So to get started, we're going to add in some information. Now, we do suggest that you have a copy of this in a Word document, just in case you wanted to figure out your copy before adding it in. So choosing your title, your subtitle, and then we have the option to add in a specialized icon. So we use this website called Font Awesome, and we're going to look up the hands heart icon. You'll notice that some of these say Pro. Go right ahead. Those are available to you. So we click on the icon shown, and we're going to hover over the name of the icon and just click. Now it's copied. So we pop back over to where we're setting up our website. We'll delete that and copy and paste. And you'll see that it'll preview that over here. So we've got this hand heart icon here. So now that we have that set up, we'll go to our About. Here in the About section, we have some options for different heading sizes. So this is a normal heading. This is a normal size font, and then this is heading 3. If you want, you can add in checkboxes or bullet points as well as a picture. We want to see your pretty faces. You have the option again of a customized icon that suits your company. Here you can add in the services that you offer. So I'm just going to move those ones because I've got a duplicate here, and we're going to add them in. So first you're going to go ahead and pick the discipline, write in a description that meets your services that you're offering, and then we go ahead and choose the specific services that you want displayed on your website. Now keep in mind, what's going to show up here is what's listed in your services here on the left-hand side where it says services, which we reviewed in a previous video. So saving that, now you can see I've got a duplicate. So I'm just going to get rid of the one I had there before, just so that only 2 show. Last, adding in team. So here you can talk a little bit more if you have a team that you're working with, or you can just display your own bio. So adding in this information for your bio is specific to each clinician. So especially if you do have a team that you're working with, each clinician has the option of adding in their bio. So in the top right corner where you see your initials, clicking on account settings and then clicking on clinic, this is the bio information that will be displayed on the website. We'll go ahead and save that. All right, so we'll save all that information. We are partway there. So we're going to start from the bottom and work up. Chatbot, this is a chatbot that directs you back to Therabyte support. So that would be to support your clients when they're coming to your web page. Here you can choose your primary and your secondary color that meet your brand. You have the option of having all of the sections enabled or just turning on, for example, About and Services, or you could have just the About. If you want the clinic name to be displayed, turn that on, as well as your logo. Remember, we added the logo in our practice setup. That's where we add in the logo icon. If you would like the fees of your services to show, if not, we can leave that off. For booking options, you're putting in your hours of operation from opening to close and the interval of time between appointments for your booking site. For now, this is for every day, and I'll show you how to book off days in your scheduler. If you want your clients to be logging into their client portal, you'll need to enable this button. And then we have, if you want to enable online intake, here is where you add in that specific intake information. Again, you have the options of different heading sizes, adding in checkboxes, and adding in a table or a picture. The consent information, some of this is static, but this part in the middle here, which is your terms of service, you edit by clicking the edit button and then done. So we'll go ahead and save that. Okay, so if you're not ready to have people doing the online intake, not a problem, you can just turn that feature off. So until we hit this enable for the entire website, it will still continue to stay off. We're gonna go ahead and make sure we save what we've got going already, and we can take a look at how that is. So here's what our website looks like so far. You can see the icon we added, information, our picture, there's that other icon. The services we put in, no fee showing because we toggled that. And then the information about our team. If you're not planning on enabling your website, your clients are still able to log into their client portal by when they come to your practice website, they'll just have a login page, just like you do. So no need to worry about that. Okay. Last here, a little bit about SEO. So you have some settings to put in here, and there's a description here of what is a meta description. So it's a snippet of about 155 characters that tags the content of this page. And then your keywords are things that aren't going to be visible to your visitors, but are visible to different search engines. So circling back around to the scheduler and your online booking. So as you remember, we had the option to put in our beginning and our end time. Now, while we are continuing to work on the online booking feature, if, for example, you don't work on Sundays and Saturdays, we're going to go ahead and pick those days and choose personal event. We can just simply put in off, and then we're going to choose to repeat that weekly. So we're going to pick Sundays and Saturdays till next year. We're going to take off and go ahead and save that. So now we're going to see this peachy color is going to book off every Sunday and Saturday. So this is an interim solution while we continue to work on our online booking feature. So there you go. We took a look at setting up your website, how to enable different features. We're going to go ahead and make that live. Make sure we hit that save button again. And there you go. You're on your way to having your own practice website.